It's fun.
Okay, we're starting early, man.
Starting fun. Who? I'll get
Who the heck is
BP.
here?
Yeah, I got
I'll
JP.
get-
We deferred.
I'll get
We
Diamond.
deferred.
No, bro, we won the toss, dude.
We deferred. Ref, come on.
Odds.
Ref is trolling.
Referee.
Cover him.
All right,
Cover him.
Oscar, you know who wide receiver 1 is?
Yeah.
Time to get to work,
Me.
Not you.
bro. Bama
me.
Boom is not wide receiver 1, and we're not. Wide receiver 1 is not the cripple either. Look at that.
I'm gone.
I'm meant to be open.
Look at me.
Facts. All right. Don't pass to anyone else. I need my assists.
Like I'm passing that.
Oh my
That was
god.
funny.
Log off.
Did I sit him down, bro? I wasn't even
Hold
looking
on,
at
let me
him.
guard Epic. He's my rival.
Dude has a pro rug ball rifle.
He's a demon. Like, he's just so good at getting open.
Yo, what?
Troll.
Good shot.
Puller. Puller point guard.
I'll get him. I'll get him.
Don't follow suit.
my God. I'm crying. Bro.
Don't follow suit, little Oscar.
What
Don't follow suit.
does that mean?
Don't start pulling.
Oh,
Screen! Screen! Wow, this kid stinks.
don't pass. Shoot. Don't pass.
Oh my gosh.
Don't pass. Don't pass.
Oh.
Dude, you saw. Oh my god. Alright, UCF is wide receiver 1. Icons is wide receiver 2. And Bama Blue is wide receiver none.
Ah.
Oh,
Good.
LOL.
Yo, Bam, I'm kind of thirsty, man. Kitty,
I was gonna pass to you, but
kitty,
you
get
tried
that
to-
water. Well, because
Hey, you know, sit the wheelchair boy down.
that's so mean.
Sit the cripple boy.
Oh, they're just terrorizing the
We
kid in
lost.
the wheelchair.
We lost.
I didn't think you wanted to pass that, Pama.
I was going to. I haven't played all day, so
Facts.
I didn't want to shoot.
Flips the
Fine.
cripple. Wait, JP's on the field.
I'm
What?
open.
Yeah, I am.
Don't pass.
Yeah, you're
Guard
open.
Matt left.
Please, give me my assist. Come on, shoot. Let's go.
That's got to be legal.
Nope.
Ah,
Guard Matt left. So
I thought.
He's not on your
He's
team.
here.
Guard Matt is on our team.
Oh, he left.
What the heck?
He left the game.
Let's go, JP. Run it up. Run it up. Please
I
give
don't
JP the
even know who
ball.
we're on
He's
right now.
hogging, bro.
Alright, I'll get BP, okay? He's my rival.
Someone needs to DE. Bama. Maybe we should have the cripple roll over his feet.
Alright, I need to throw one dot this game. One dime.
Dude, the cripple has like feet coming out of the back of his
You got me
wheelchair. It's kind of
outside.
weird.
Don't miss. And you got me. Pass to me. Oh my god. Why are you so good?
I only got 8 gold or 7 gold actually last game, man. I got.
That's not enough. Even more.
That's
I got,
not
that's
enough.
all. I got 12.
EP's over here. Okay, I'll get him.
Oh, okay. My
Bro,
bad.
why are you guys doubling me?
Cause you're the best player,
Facts.
Who's on him?
bro.
Alright, I'll get BP. I'll get BP.
What? What do you want, JJ, bro? This kid just DM'd me 15 times.
He's a nigger.
He just said UCF, join Voodoo Stadium. No, bro, no. I'm not doing anything.
Hmm.
Oh,
Burn.
oh, that's a dime screen. Oh, I'm wide open.
And then
Bama,
get
you
open
cross
and
the
don't pass
field.
the ball. And don't pass the ball,
Across the field. Oh,
dude.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god.
dude, he's so demonic.
Do I have
Guard up, Jit.
3 assists?
Had me and BP on skates, bro.
Alright, I got BP.
Oh, how are you gonna guard a gas station, bro?
Oh.
I'm burning.
There's no way.
Whoa.
Steal that.
Let's go.
Oh
my
Icons,
gosh,
icons.
bro.
Icons.
Hi.
I thought.
Wait. Ah,
Outside.
Why are you not on 100? Oh my god, bro. Team's selling me.
Easy. Got past BP. He sucks.
easy. Shot it already.
Ironic.
She's a Trent account Sharon, bro. Have I bricked in this game? No.
I'm a killer, bro.
I'm actually walking down. Sucks. Alright, we need to throw some dimes.
Alright, team. Transformer offense. Oh!
I
I'm
got
wide
2
open.
on
I'm
me, what do I
actually wide
do?
open. I'm actually wide open.
Oh!
No way, gosh.
Zedron, bro.
He said, nah.
Cause Zedron's trash.
Skinny boy.
Skinny boy. Oh no.
Oh. BP got a nice burn, but it sucks. So he's not
He
getting
said
fast.
JP.
This PG is blind.
Oh. Oh my
Oh my
god.
God.
No.
Man down.
Bro,
He got sat by the black
Concussion
Axolotl.
protocol.
He got sat by the black Axolotl, bro.
Alright,
I
so
sat
I'm
by an
still-
axolotl. How do you feel?
Bro, I'm still done. I'm shooting on this kid. Let's go. Give me.
Please. No way.
He's
He did not
pulling.
just let-
That's
What?
in, by the way.
Hey, yo, in by the
Yeah, we
way.
lost. We're losing this game. We're sending this kid back to factory settings.
I'm
Victory
sorry.
resetting him, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm not doing that again. God.
Oh, he missed.
No,
Bail,
bro.
bail. Let's go.
See, my mitts didn't matter.
No, they were just trying to copy you.
Oh yeah. Oh lord.
I'm open.
I'm open. Oh my
God?
goodness. My goodness. Let's go, Bama. Let's go, Bama.
Finger slipped.
Oh.
Don't pass the ball, please. Dog, shoot it. Ooh, do.
Zedron.
Let's
He's
go,
not
let's go,
doing
let's go,
anything,
let's
bro.
Let's go.
This kid Zedron isn't doing crap, bro.
Skinny
My
boy.
gosh.
Oh my god.
Where's holding call? I got BP. Oh. Yo, Zedron's not missing that one.
Watch him miss
There's
this,
no
bro.
missing that. There's absolutely.
Oh.
I told you, bro.
What?
Bro, he's not playing any defense, and he. Of course, he misses that, bro. My God.
Icons, we're gonna pick, cut out.
I'm wide open.
I got him.
Covering 2, bro.
You're right,
Oh my
you're
gosh,
right.
please.
Oh, you demon.
We cannot let Will Oscar catch up in goals. No way.
Icons is
Oh,
lagging.
let's go,
He
let's
just
Yeah.
handed it.
Hey, Bama. You got me? You got
Me,
Bama.
Jit.
Let's go, Bama. Let's go,
I'll be
Egypt.
in.
No.
I'll be in.
No. Thank you.
Fine. It's like a 3v4, by the way. 4 icons.
He's distracting. Oh my gosh. Oh.
No, he passed to 12 Moss, sir. We lost.
Dude, Dan is actually good. Okay. Nobody's on. It was on the black Axolotl. Dude, can I get a goal? Can you get less than 100 ping? That's the real question.
Icons cut out.
Oh,
Look
you
at
got me,
icons.
Oscar. Oh, please sink this. Thank
Bang.
you. All right, there's your goal. You've had enough. He said UCF at ref try. I have. I can. I have perms.
Zedron, bro. Look at me.
I went to parties.
Yeah.
I'm not- Oh my gosh.
Alright, boys.
Do we have a
We
sub?
lost.
No, we don't.
We have
Alright,
no
kinda
sub.
like- do
Bro,
three things at
Icon.
once there. So
Icons, you gotta leave Dark's house, bro.
facts.
He'll rejoin at half.
Facts, my seedling.
End the summer party. Oh, you got me.
Got myself.
You got me.
He said I got
Icons.
myself.
Oh, there's nobody. There's nobody. He said lag warning.
Wait, what? He just teleported.
Yo. Oh, bro, I'm crying.
There's literally nobody on that side.
Who is Johnny Beta G? Who is Johnny Beta G?
The heck?
Hey yo, 12 got set.
It's...
Oh my god, pass the rock.
He missed.
He missed.
Ow.
I got it.
Bama.
It's still moving.
Bema.
Possessed.
Bema. Oh my god, hog.
Look across. Never mind. Don't look across.
Right here.
I'm coming. You got me behind you.
Got me.
Behind you. Look at me.
I'm
Look at me.
freaking open. Any hog.
Oh my god. You demon.
Log off.
He said team
I
sucks.
only have 8 assists right now. I gotta get more.
Yeah, start passing to me. You'll get more. You know I don't pass.
Don't guard the point guard.
That's why Bama got That's why Bama got like 100 something assists last era. The pass and shoot. Okay, nobody's on JP. Nobody.
I got him.
Oh, this kid is so. Let's go, Icons. Oh, what the? Icons came in like a lightning bolt.
Oh my gosh. Man.
Yo, how do what?
Oscar?
Look at me. Look at me. To your left. Look at me. Oh my god. He's just covering you in shift log. You know that, right? He's like turned at an angle. He's not even covering you.
He's trolling.
He is trolling, actually.
Bro, they have
They
5.
have
You
Who
good?
It's-
Who's on?
Yo. Dang, he drained it.
Sank it. All right. Should just play it out. Should we just play it out?
Yeah. They're trying to
Yeah.
get another possession.
I need to get a.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
another
yeah,
day,
yeah.
another drop by Kenny Galladay.
Don't miss.
Wait. Play it out? Question mark? Oh! 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 Oh!
What you doing, bro?
Crying right now, man.
This team, bro.
Yo,
Oh my god,
Quest
I'm gonna have an
Star is actually gonna
aneurysm.
be- Quest Star is actually gonna be fun tomorrow. We're actually doing work.
Oh my gosh, he drained it.
R.
What? DM'd me 38 times.
Damn, me too! I guess they need a rev.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait, don't leave yet. These icons, make sure we have your stats. Okay, we do. Go. Icons, we join. Drive home from Darky's house. Dude, I bet you Icons is in like freaking California or something.
we're gonna start.
Or like freaking Tennessee.
This is for the champion.
Yeah.
Time to play some music.
Jeez, like Kanye, bro. I'm playing some music.
Yeah.
Flash
Oh,
and
my-
light.
I'm gonna listen to that Mickey Mouse Clubhouse theme song.
Hey, dude. I'm
Alright,
open.
with so
You
much
got
open.
me wide open in the middle.
Dude, how do I cover this kid?
Look at me. Look at me.
Goodness, he's teleporting worse than he was earlier.
Wait, don't. You're so good.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Dang.
What?
What?
Yo, this game is
That's
so
not
bad.
even in.
Ball
What?
don't lie. Ball don't lie. That's in.
Yeah, this game's
Okay,
trash.
Remember,
He's
I'm only
even
allowed
more-
to miss once a day.
He's
Remember?
even more laggy now.
Do you remember that I'm only allowed
He
to miss
is.
once a day?
What did I
JP?
just tell you?
JP, I'm
What
only
the
allowed to
heck?
miss once a day. Keep that in mind. I already missed once today. How did you muffled Kanye?
This game is pre-ramp update. Oh no.
Oscar.
What?
I heard muffled Kanye.
Here, I'm open.
Yeah, my speaker's like. Wait, hold on. It's not trash. It's just covered.
Like, where are you,
Easy.
Easy?
Oh,
Dang.
let's go.
DE? Boy.
Do you recall?
Make
Okay,
AFK.
don't
Show off.
I never thought that you would
Take it this far.
Two people
Well,
can't go
But
DP.
you, I know.
We're singing with him.
Yo, he's on locks.
He's in.
Play
Baby,
catch up
no?
tomorrow after this.
Oh? He's hitting Little Man JP? Please shoot that. Please take your ISO. Oh my gosh.
Song is his best song.
It is a good song.
Oh my gosh, icons,
Yo, he's
bro.
lagging.
He probably can't even hear a word we're saying.
Just
He's probably
realized that there's no backcourt button.
Oh yeah,
Your
wait.
fault.
Oh my god.
I got it.
You got me on the slant.
Mark, no, Gina.
Coming to you.
You have to
Look at me.
shoot. Come on. No way that's legal.
Please be
That's
legal.
Like,
Oh,
you suck.
legal. Dude, that's so
It was
legal.
just-
Wait, was that illegal?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it was legal.
Did he
in
did he do the
GRL.
points?
That's why they
Oh,
gave
he did,
that
okay.
point.
Dude, that's so legal in
I was just
GRL.
making sure.
GRL's a better side league.
What do I know?
Dude, I could have sworn that was legal.
Oh my
What the
God.
heck?
No
way.
What do I know?
Oscar, oh my god!
Sorry.
You let the worst player score on you.
Bro, what?
Oh, you know
What are you talking about? I have 4 goals.
what do you
Wow.
I have almost as many goals as Epic.
know? He's freaking lagging. I'm not passing.
Look at me.
Got UCF on locks. He
Bro, okay.
said okay.
Gotta shoot.
You got me.
Oh
Oh,
my. Yo.
wide open.
He missed.
Hold on. I'm not-
Another day, another Galladay drop, bro. Oh my gosh.
Or you gotta play. I gotta play a song.
Dude, this dude Kenny Galladay is some cheeks. Uh-oh. Oh.
Bro, what is this? I have two
Slayton.
people.
Alright, let's start playing.
What?
We're gonna lose. We're
You just-
actually losing.
Giants are winning. The Giants are winning. Oh my gosh.
Yes, good drag icons. Oh, Oscar.
I had
Bam,
to hit that.
middle.
Damn it, don't miss.
What?
Oh,
What?
wait,
I got it. I got it.
That's fine. Alright, now you have to pass it back to me so I can get my assist. Hand it off.
Psych.
Man. Wait, am I still gonna get my pass?
I'm so devious.
You be slick.
Yeah, I had Shag design me a
Right,
script.
dude.
I had Shag make me a script. Oh,
We
lockdown.
lost.
Lockdown. He's still shooting. Type of DE.
Almost had that.
What the?
New teammate. Get it.
This is a 3v4. 4 icons.
Dude, I still haven't missed this game. Lol. Oh, let's go icons. Oscar,
Look at me, I'm
Oscar,
burning,
Oscar,
I'm
you got
burning.
me. I'm wide open.
Who do I
Nobody's
hit? Who do I
burning,
hit?
dude.
Who do I hit?
I'm burning.
Icons.
No. Okay, or hit Zijon.
Yeah, not gonna hold on.
He said lag winning if he got it.
I was burning. Down the middle.
Bro, we're losing to the Axolotls, but at least maybe I can get goals record. Maybe they'll count my
I can't
illegal
have
goal.
this happen. Epic is just gonna clown me.
Maybe they'll
Hey,
count.
count your illegal goal.
Maybe they'll forget. Forgive and forget. Oh,
Fine.
I'm open.
Oscar. Oh, dang.
Don't
No.
miss.
He's such a
Hit
puller.
that.
He's such a
Hit
puller.
that.
Oh, he's so nice. 5-1.
I'm crying, bro. Epic? I'm on Epic? Literally. Bro, no way.
Oh my gosh, JP's wide receiver 1. I'm uninstalling.
TP's out of the play.
I'm uninstalling.
Dude.
I'm
He
uninstalling.
missed. Let's go!
Yo, I'm crying.
Getting inflamed.
Good miss.
Good miss.
For real, good miss.
Strategic.
For real.
Oh my
How much
gosh.
time?
What
I
the?
burned. I kind
Oh
of
my
burned.
god.
Oscar, bro. Oh my gosh.
Why?
Here, here, here.
What? Yo, no. Am I the only one that saw that?
Oh.
Teleported onto me.
Oh.
I'm erasing. Let's go.
Bam racing?
Did he just say Bama racing?
Yo, who is Bam erasing?
How do you
Sorry,
know? How
me
did,
and, me and our friend.
where'd you hear that?
Guys, he is a NASCAR profile picture.
Oh, wait. Are you just scrolling through people's profile pictures in pro?
No. I just I guess. I mean, I just look to see if anyone likes cars.
He's
Yeah,
actually
pass
our
it,
friend,
pass it,
so
pass it. Ooh.
Okay, nice. Is he good at the game?
no, he's terrible.
No, he doesn't play this game.
Get
But
him
he loves
NASCAR.
NASCAR.
I mean, I love
Yeah,
NASCAR too.
He loves
Only
that.
one.
He's going to Bristol Saturday.
What? No way.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Mhm.
Oh, I want to go to Bristol.
We need to let
like-
Oscar talk to
Let's go.
him.
Screen.
One circuit.
Middle.
Oh, no
They'd be
way.
eating each other by the end of that conversation.
Bro, he's so wide receiver 1.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Gimme.
Rebound.
What?
I got it.
Uh-oh.
I actually got it.
Oh no! Wait, he actually has that.
Yes.
Don't.
You got me down the line.
Just flop. Maybe.
Look at me right here.
No
Right
way.
here. Hit me.
Bama.
Easy.
Bama. Please. Please.
Right here.
Oh my gosh.
This is why I'm PG.
He said, "This is why I'm PG."
We lost, bro. We literally let epics, bro.
Please miss.
There's no way.
He was typing. He really typed on us. Alright, it's okay. We can come back. Come back, baby. Oh, yes, icons. Yes, yes.
So good, man. You're so good.
He said blew it. What's he
We're
blowing?
gonna lose though, so it's alright, but
Still got technically
2 minutes.
10, but maybe they'll
Facts.
cheese it and say it's 11 goals. And it would be 11 if I was just like a few steps closer.
Yeah.
Oh.
Trash. Oh my god. No
Come on.
way. We lost.
Oh.
Oh,
Dude, we suck.
push him.
Yes,
No
yes,
way.
yes. Good D. He's
Okay.
passed.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's
Yes. Take your time.
Yo,
Take your time.
Right here.
Come get it, Oscar. Come get it. Hand off.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
behind you,
yes,
behind
I
you.
scored. I scored.
Oscar,
Oh,
please.
nice.
Hit me. No.
That's in.
Oscar!
LMAO, bro.
Bro, just
Yeah.
pass the ball.
Bro.
It's all good. It's all good.
I'm sorry.
One more stop.
Yeah, another stop. Great.
Another stop.
We worked so hard for that one. It's so rare because they just
Sorry,
pass.
guys.
They're not demons, they just pass the ball.
I'm so sorry. I should just kill myself.
No, what the, bro? What?
Dude,
I got
this
nothing
ERL
to do for
loss
that.
was too important.
Actually,
Is
that's
it even
cool.
worth leaving? After losing an ERL?
Yeah, I think it's worth leaving life.
Oh, I'm wide open. Literally.
Facts. Nigger. Gotta make it. Oh my god. Oh, 0.3 and he's. Oh my god.
No!
I'm,
Clammos. He said Clammos.
I'm leaving, bro.
Hmm.
I'm getting a gun. Oh my god. Now I gotta hear about it. I can't. It's a fucking nigger.
Oh. Oh my.
Oh my god. I'm bummed.
Oh, that's a SWAT. Come on, bro.
I'm taking matters in my own hands.
Oh my gosh. Anarchy.
What are you doing? Stop.
Anarchy!
I'll give you the ball. I'll give you the ball. I'll give you the ball.
You got me open.
Open. Handoff. Oh. No. Okay, we lost.
No, bruh.
Don't pick it
no.
up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
I know we lost.
A-
Man. That's
actually,
fine,
probably-
Dana's
should've-
wide open. Throw it to me. Hit Dana. No way, he hit JP.
It's fine. It's just ERL. It doesn't matter.
I don't really care about you. I just like scoring. Oh my
Yo.
god! What?
Give me the corner. Give me the corner.
I got
Oh.
He just got launched. I'm disoriented.
Yo, what the heck? The freak.
What the
Freak.
freak?
When will you learn?
What?
Alright, let's go.
The freak. Oh yeah, I'm wide open. Wide open.
I'm
Please.
burning. I'm burning. I'm
Please.
burning.
Please.
Hit me.
Okay.
Hit me. Hit me.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Hey, mate.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Dude.
Oh my god. He's low. I'm sorry, guys.
Whatever. Let me shoot this.
Alright, let me shoot it.
Actually, the icons. Shoot it.
Please.
Shoot it, icons.
Maggot.
Shoot it,
icon.
icons.
Yo,
You
I'm
said he was
proud.
about to trade for Oscar too. LMAO.
Gimme. Gimme. Gimme.
Here. No, come on, trust me.
No, bro, he's not passing to you.
Dude,
Oh, he missed too. Oh.
I can't, bro. He's literally 1%. It's so funny, bro. It's just like the least funniest thing, but it's the funniest thing.
Icons. I'm just trying to keep you 100%, man.
Y'all the Baltimore turds, bro.
Icons. I'm
In?
just trying to keep you
Bounce?
100%. I'm a good
I
teammate.
gotta cry.